So when I was young in this industry, there weren't very many female captains. And in fact, globally, there's only 5% of the world's captains are females, but that is changing. More and more women are finding their way onto the water, whether they get credentialed or not.
There was an email sent to me directly from Pursuit, and it was actually, I think, in my inbox the day that we picked up the boat, and it was the offer for us to come and take the course, and that it would cover both myself and my kids. And I recognized Chapman immediately because my dad always had Chapman's as a resource.
Chapman's and Pursuit are partners where we offer to Pursuit owners our basic boater safety class. Students get one classroom day, and then the second day is all on the boat. It is learn at the helm. So we take what they've learned on the first day from the classroom and add to any background knowledge that they come with. 2 days, and people come out of it usually feeling like they have learned a ton and they are much more confident.
I've had an interesting reaction, I think, to the fact that I bought a boat on my own, and I know that that's not common. I don't know how uncommon it is to be a woman owning my own boat, but I think I've had the most reaction from other women saying, I could never do that. And my response is always, yes, you can. If it's something that's important to you, you can do it. And it was important to me to bring this back into my life and also give that to my kids.
So this is the first Pursuit that my husband and I have owned with our 3 kids, but obviously grew up on Pursuit with one that Mom and Dad had. And even before we bought our Pursuit, had seen that Pursuit and Chapman had done this partnership for the course, and so actually it was one of the reasons why I felt comfortable buying a Pursuit, was knowing that we were going to have this course so that the family as a whole could get comfortable, so that we could have fun versus being stressed about how we were going to manage that as a family.
I have a DC 326 that's 1 week old. We have a history with Pursuit. My husband and I had a 245 when we first were married. Well, I think this is a great idea that Pursuit and Chapman have gotten together, especially for women, because as you know, most women don't drive the boat. This gives us an opportunity as women to get the confidence that we need to be able to enjoy driving the boat as well, because I certainly enjoyed driving the boat, so it's a lot of fun.
Women especially make great students because they will take in the instruction, watch how the skill is demonstrated, ask any questions, and then do it, and they usually execute it flawlessly. It's pretty cool.
So growing up, my dad's #1 priority was safety. And so I knew that if the kids and I were going to do this, that I needed to do it in the safest way possible. So that meant learning the rules of the water, all over again. And it was a mandatory thing for me to have the safety component of owning a boat. Otherwise, I'm not sure I would have the confidence to buy a boat.
My mom was not sure about it until she took the course, because she didn't know what that could entail. And so now, when it was summer, we went almost every weekend. So she gained a lot of confidence through the course, teaching her how to do it safely. Yes, I feel very proud. I love that it's something I got the opportunity to do. And I think it's really amazing because you don't see many people, I don't notice any women driving, especially in our area. So it's really, really nice to see that.
My happy place is on the water. I love it. And my favorite thing is taking students who don't have a boating background and sending them away after 2 days, happily running their boat and feeling safe. It is a great feeling for me, very rewarding. And I oftentimes hear back from students, thank you so much. They send a picture of them boating, they're out there doing it, and they keep on learning as they go. It is very rewarding. I love my job.